In today's video, I'm going to teach you how should I use Google Calendar or Notion for productivity. We'll set up a simple, reliable system in Google Calendar that makes your week crystal clear and easy to manage. Start by opening Google Calendar. On the left side, click the plus sign next to Other Calendars, then choose Create New Calendar. Make a few separate calendars for the main areas of your life, things like work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Give each one a distinct color so your week is visually organized at a glance. That color coding becomes your dashboard. One look, and you instantly see where your time is going. Next, head into Settings, then Event Settings. Set a default event duration that matches your typical work rhythm, like 30 or 60 minutes. Add default reminders, one 10 minutes before and another an hour before, to catch both the big picture and the last minute nudge. Choose whether you want email or pop-up notifications. Locking in these defaults prevents missed tasks and saves time each time you create an event. Now time block your day. Instead of a long to-do list that grows and overwhelms, assign tasks to actual time. For example, 8 to 9 a.m. for admin, 9 to 11 a.m. for deep work, 1 to 2 p.m. for client calls, and 4 to 5 p.m. for content creation. Treat these blocks like appointments with yourself. If plans change, drag the block to a new time, staying flexible while still honoring your priorities. Use recurring events to automate routines. Set weekly planning on Sunday evening, schedule a monthly budget review, add regular client check-ins, and put your gym sessions on repeat. This reduces decision fatigue and keeps your habits on track without constant setup. Protect your focus with focus time to automatically block meetings and out of office to decline invites when you're unavailable. If you use Google Tasks, integrate it so small action items live alongside your calendar. This way, meetings don't swallow your deep work. Make sure everything syncs across devices. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, enable notifications, connect it with Gmail, and link tools like Zoom or Meet so invites and links appear automatically. That way, you're always up to date whether you're at your desk or on the go. Finally, use event descriptions smartly. Add a short agenda, keynotes, relevant links like Zoom, Google Docs, or a Notion page, and a quick checklist. Keeping context inside the event reduces hunting around and helps you start on time prepared. Adopt these steps, and your calendar becomes a calm, reliable system that guides your day and supports consistent productivity.